All right, y'all. We back with another Wilk Biz Reacts, and today we are tuning right back in with the great band Tool. This is one of their earlier releases. I was told this song is called Bottom, and this is a live performance that we'll be going ahead and taking a look at and reacting to. I'm truly excited. But first, I just want to address one thing. I do want to say thank you to all of you guys who've been tapping in, leaving your recommendations and leaving your comments. They really mean a lot to me because obviously you guys want to see the channel do good and do well. However, I am waiting on a shipment so that way I can get a better set of headphones. I did get away from those mono set of headphones for you guys, just because I did realize what you were saying about listening to certain bands and listening to certain sounds and how, the music is recorded a specific way to be able to get the full experience. So I truly appreciate that as well. So thank you guys. Um, However, if you're bearing with me right now, thank you so much just for your patience and your kindness. It really means a lot. Um, for now, let's get right into Tool. Again, this is Wilk Viz Reacts. We're back with another reaction. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for showing up. If you are returning, thank you so much for joining us again. Thank you so much again. This is Wilk Viz Reacts, and we are back with another Tool reaction. Let's go.
Straight to face you, though I twisted and winced to try to tear you away. You got my eyes, and I got your jeans, and I got your skin, and I voice your screams. Grown, falling through a dark room, and I can't find the bottom. I panic and gnash my teeth and I flail, and still I can't find the bottom. 'Cause only there, someone could tell me that this isn't what it seems. Son, you got my eyes, and son, your voice, my screams. I'm shameless now. I'm nameless now. I'm nothing now, but my soul must be iron, because my fear is naked. I'm naked and fearless. Yeah, my fear is naked.
This is so dope. I'm naked now. I'm fearless now. He just started off going crazy. Shameless now, nameless now, nothing now, no one now. That's a fact. Some of y'all don't understand how that feels. This is definitely deep. This is definitely deep, and I'm extremely excited to be a part of this. Let's get back into it. Let's get back to it. We're gonna run it back a little bit. Let's go. my gosh. What did we just watch? That's crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. Tool never seems to disappoint me. I'm extremely excited. This is super dope. Um, the lyrics in this is crazy. Hatred keeps me alive. Hungriness keeps me alive. Weakness keeps me alive. Guilt keeps me alive at the bottom. And that's a fact. He's like, I'm dead inside. That's so dope. Like, and then he's actually being like an instrument himself and allowing all that energy to flow through him and just, you know, just just become what he's saying. Like it's so dope. Like I love this band. I'm extremely excited. Thank you guys so much for being here with me. Thank you for the support of the toolbox. I truly appreciate it. This time around, I really got the full dynamic and experience of the sound. Like I said, like you guys are saying, and I'm just blown away. To be honest, I'm blown away. If somebody was at that concert or at that performance, leave a comment. Let me know how you felt, being there for that. I know how I feel right now, and I'm extremely, I'm amped right now. I got a lot of energy from that right here. Um, Thank you guys so much for the Tool Army. Shout out to you guys. This is for you. Um, we'll see you on the next one around. This is Wilk Viz Reacts, and we are back with another reaction from Tool. Thank you. Let's go.